Camilo Permeberinia, the president of Bangka-Bida Cooperative, a fisherman's cooperative here in Barangay Tangos South, Navotas City. So, our cooperative was officially established on October 15, 2024 with one goal, to build a better future for our fishing community here in Tangos. Our barangay is known for its strong connection to the sea. Fishing is not only just a job here, it is our way of life. However, many fishermen face challenges like lack of equipment, unstable income, and limited support. That is why we created Bangka-Bida Cooperative, a cooperative built by fishermen and for fishermen. Bangka-Bida Cooperative is a producers' cooperative that aims to strengthen the livelihood of our members. Through unity, we can achieve more productive fishing and create a better life for our community. Bangka-Bida Cooperative mission is to support and empower local fishermen by providing resources, training, and sustainable opportunities. Our vision is to become a leading cooperative in Navotas that uplifts the lives of fishing families. Our objective is to include improving access to fishing equipment, increasing members' income, and to promote the protection and sustainability of our marine resources. As a cooperative, we aim to offer financial assistance for fishing operations and boat maintenance, access to better and modern equipment, training on sustainable fishing practices, and support in selling our catch at fair prices. Through these services, we can help not only our fishermen, but also strengthen our whole community. So today, I invite you to be part of Bangka-Bida Cooperative. Together, we can build stronger livelihoods, protect our seas, and secure a brighter future for our families. Remember, heroes at sea, success on land. Once again, I am Camilo Permeberinia, president of Bangka-Bida's Cooperative. Thank you, and let's sail together toward a prosperous tomorrow.